Hello everyone, and today what I want to show you is how you install a new font on a Windows computer. So this would work for Windows 7 or Windows 8. If you had a little older one, you do have to follow some different instructions if you have Windows XP. But pretty much everyone's nowadays on 8 or 7. So let's kind of go through this and see what you do. Why would you install a new font? If you were looking to create a worksheet or maybe a classroom newsletter you're sending home, sometimes it's kind of nice to have some different fonts available versus just the default ones. And this website that I'm using, DaFont, has lots and lots of different fonts that you can most certainly use. You can see there's different themes, and when you click one of these themes, let's say for example cartoon, you see it comes up with different fonts on here. And these are all different fonts you could use. You see there's lots and lots. If there's a certain word that you're going to use, you can actually get it to preview what that word would look like. So maybe I teach 3rd grade. So I want to see what it would look like there. If I hit submit, it will show me that title in all the different fonts. So I can see what it looks like. Now if I find one I like, for example this one seemed kind of cool, all I have to do is hit download. Now I'm using Chrome, so mine's going to pop up down here. Pretty much all the other ones have kind of the same setup. If you have Firefox, you'll notice that it will appear up in the top corner of the web browser. But once I see it there, all I have to do is I'm going to open up that folder. I can see my font right here. If I double click it, it opens up to a font. To install it, all I actually have to do, and this is for Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows 8, is double click it, and actually can just hit install. What this is doing here is just showing you a preview what it looks like at different font sizes. I'll hit install. You see that it starts going. And actually, I should be good now. And to see it, I can go into Microsoft Word. So I want to remember the name of this, PW Perspective. Let's open up Word. And now, if I go into my fonts, I can find my PW Perspective. Oh, is that it? PW Perspective, 3rd grade. And I can make that bigger so it looks nice. So that's how easy it is to add a font. So once again, if we just walk through right from the beginning, you can go to dafont.com. You can pick a theme. So let's say school. I can see some nice cursive ones on here that I could use. Find one you like. Let's say this one. I'll hit download. I see my folder down here. Let's go into it. Now this one's neat because you actually notice there's 3 different fonts, so you would have to install each of these ones. So I can open one up, hit install, open the next one, install, and tell me this wouldn't be great for any elementary class. Create your own worksheets right there, and hit install again. And now all 3 of those are going to be in Microsoft Word. So let's see. Normally, sometimes it shows up right away and sometimes it doesn't. Well, let's check. It was something with a K. Yep, there they are. So that's how easy it is to install fonts. Now, one word of warning, if you were to send a Word document like this out to someone, they would not get that font in Microsoft Word. That's because they don't have the font installed. If you want someone to see exactly what you see, what you have to do is go File, Export, and create a PDF document of it. That way they see the font exactly like you have it. But normally if you're just doing newsletters, you're printing it off anyways. But if you put your newsletter on a website, I would create a PDF of it, then put the PDF on your website. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.